Everybody love a look, yeah, give them out. Yeah.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we got a install for you guys. We got some carbon fiber parts for the interior. As you guys could see by the thumbnail, so we got some new goodies for the car. Got some new carbon fiber for the chrome trimmings and for the vent. Yeah guys, and before you guys reach any further into the video, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. It really helps out the channel guys, so like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay guys, so here's the box with the carbon fiber trims. I got this off Amazon. These come with the little 3M tape, and I already pulled this one, so that's how it looks. And I already have a red one right there already, so I don't really need this no more because I already got a red one. So I'm gonna put that right there. So this piece is for right here. So this piece is gonna go right here, like this. And I think this piece is for right here, but I'm gonna take them out the bag and get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I take the papers off. There they are right there, and here's the carbon fiber pieces guys. They look really good. So let me know if you guys like these. And the door ones should be coming in soon with those right there, but for right now I only got these. And make sure you guys go check out the video of the down pipes and the Y pipe. Go check that out and leave a comment, so I know you guys if you guys like it or what. But let's go and install these. So this is gonna be the last time you see this piece right here, these pieces, chrome or whatever you want to call it. So let's do it. Okay guys, so we're gonna lay them right now and make sure you guys clean the screens and all of that so they could stick. So first piece, I'm gonna put this piece on. So this piece goes like right here. So that's how you put them on. They came with 3M tape. So take it off like this. I'm gonna just rest that right there and stick it on just like that. Make sure the sides are equal, because they're really sticky. So it's gonna go just like that. I could say the fitment is very good, and as I said before, make sure it's clean, the surface is clean. So now I'm gonna put piece like right here. So this piece is gonna go like this, like that. So let's take the 3M tape off. And this is not hard to install guys. So if you're watching the video and reach this far, just stay and watch all the videos. Just watch the full video guys. You'll see the transformation. So press it so it could stick, just like that. Again, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I also got this piece, guys. Wait, let me ease it up a little bit. Like that. Lay it right here in the corner. I guess I laid this piece wrong, but remember, you could always take it up. Let me start the car real quick. Put it in neutral, so I got like space, so it could lay good. Okay, guys, so I got it to fit, so it's good now. So I'm gonna put this piece on. And look at the carbon, guys. It looks like the real carbon, but it's a overlay. And this is just gonna go like right here. Before I really stick it, I'm gonna ensure that it sits flush. I guess it's good right there. So it's gonna be just like this, so you could open easily and sit just like this. So time to do this part. This is gonna be like right here, just like that. Easy, easy. But first, you're gonna have to take this off. And as I said before, guys, it's easy. It's just time consuming, but it's easy, guys. So first I'm gonna do up top. I'll do up top first, like right there. Then we're gonna lay it just like this. Gonna try to lay it close as possible. Okay, so it's gonna be just like this. Yep, just like that, guys. So it's gonna lay just like that, and fix the corners if you have to. So now I'm gonna put the radio piece on right here, but let me take this off and get back to you guys. So right now, guys, I only have like 2-piece leaf. I got like piece right here. So I think this is gonna be like this, I think, or the other way around. I don't know. And this one goes over there. Okay guys, so that's how it looks right now. So that's the finished product. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and catch you in the next one. Peace.